Hello students, today we learn about simple machines. What is machine? Machine is a tool which makes our work easier. It helps us to overcome large force or load with the help of the less force called effort. You have seen in your pencil box there is a pencil sharpener. Pencil sharpener makes your work easier, that is it helps to you sharpen the pencil easily with the help of the blade. When you insert the pencil and turn the pencil, the blade, that is a wedge, helps to sharpen the pencil easily. So it is a very simple tool and also simple machine. Scissor, it is also a simple machine. It is a tool. It helps us to cut easily by applying force on the handle. Machines are of two types, simple machines and complex machines. Simple machines use a single force to overcome a single load. You have seen in here in the scissor, a single load on the scissor blade is cut like a paper or cloth by applying a single force on the handle. Like scissor, there are wedge, wheel and axle, inclined plane, screw, pulley, which are simple machines. Complex machine consists of many simple machines working together like cycle, engine, bike, motorbike. These are examples of complex machine. Simple machine generally six types that we will learn today. One is the lever, slide or the inclined plane, screw, wheel and axle, wedge and pulley. Today we will learn about lever. So what is lever? Lever is a rigid rod supported by a pivot point called fulcrum, and one side there is a object called load and either side there is a effort or the force. So effort is the force which is applied to move the load, and the distance between fulcrum and effort is called effort arm, and distance between load and fulcrum is called load arm. Depending upon the position of the load, effort and fulcrum, levers are classified into three types: first class, second class and third class lever. Let us learn. So what we have learned, lever is a rigid rod which move about a support called fulcrum, consists of 3 points: load, effort and fulcrum, and load arm and effort arm. So three types of lever: first class, second class and third class. What is first class lever? First class lever is the lever where load and effort at the either side of fulcrum. So fulcrum is between the fulcrum is the middle of load and effort. Example like seesaw, playa, scissor. Others examples are also there like balance, claw hammer, etc. In the seesaw and claw hammer, balance, claw hammer, scissor, pliers, all have seen fulcrum is in the between load and effort. In seesaw, load and effort at the either side, fulcrum in the middle. In the playa, there is the fulcrum and here is the load, which is the effort point on the handle. In the scissor also, handle, there is the effort point, here is the fulcrum and here is the load. So in first class lever we have seen fulcrum is in the between load and effort. Next, second class lever. Second class lever, example like wheelbarrow, nutcracker, bottle opener. In second class lever, the load is in between effort and fulcrum. In barrow wheel, you can see if load is there in the barrow wheel, so load is in the middle. Here is the fulcrum point and here is the load point. In nutcracker, there is the load, here is the fulcrum and here is the effort. So when we crack the nut by using nutcracker, we apply force on the handle, that is effort, and nut is the load and here is the fulcrum. In bottle opener, here it is the load point, the point which is applied on the cap of the bottle to open it, that is the load point. And here is the fulcrum point, and the handle where a force is applied is the effort point. Next, third class lever. In third class lever, effort lies between load and fulcrum. Examples: fishing rod, tweezer, ice stone, broom, our hand when lifting any load. These are acts as third class lever. Let us check where are the points, that is load, effort and fulcrum. In ice stone you can see here is the load where ice is there, it is the effort point, and here is the fulcrum point. When a broom is held by a person using two hands, it is the fulcrum point, one hand is the effort point, and here is the load point. In case of hand, our hand also acts as third class lever when it is used to lift any load. So fulcrum is our elbow is the fulcrum position. Here it is the fulcrum position. Load is in our hand, and we are giving effort by muscles here. So it is a third class